Yes. See, we're girls, so we have the common sense to go down on our asses. Unlike guys, who probably stand up and do it. Okay, Sydney first. Go, go, go! Bags draggy. Oh god, that's so funny. Come on up. I don't know if you can hear her laughing, but it's pretty funny. Okay. Oh wow, seriously? My turn. Let's get it done. Oh. Oh, hi.